Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an ASUS FX series laptop. This one is an FX553V model, and in this video I'm gonna go over how you can service your hinges if your hinges are really hard. Like for this one, it is really hard, and because of when they get really stiff and you can crack the screen, or lines can appear in here. And this laptop has a tiny line in the middle because of the stress on the hinges that cause the screen to bend extra, and those lines cannot be repaired. But to prevent them to be extra or to damage the casing, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna loosen up the hinges so it can be a little more softer, because this one it is really tough. All right, but to do this one, it's really simple. It's not too hard. You can do it at home. And if you opening the screen too much in a day, then the hinges do get a little stiffened, and you might want to open it and service them once in a while. Right, I'm going to go over the tools that I'll be using. Tool number one, I fix a screwdriver set, as they have one of the best bits out there. We're going to use a Phillips number 1. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and some tweezers. If not, grab yourself a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are suitable to opening cases and covers. Now, at the bottom here, we're going to remove all the screws, and there's a hidden screw right under this rubber cover here. You want to poke through it, lift it up, and there's adhesive, and you want to remove that screw. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. So keep them in a single pile. So remove all of them and keep them in a single pile. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. We remove all the screws. Simply what you want to do, you want to stick the opening tool between the bottom cover and the palm rest, just like that. And then you just want to twist it around in the front end. You might want to hear some click sound. Those are the clips that are getting loose. To the front, to the sides by the DVD drive. And do the left and right in here, and it should come by the grill, by the heatsink grill. And once you did most of them, then grab from the phone and wiggle it around like this, and it will release itself. All right, down here we're gonna see the hinges right in here, and they have a little nut bolt right at the end. We're gonna loosen up this one. To do it, we need to lift up a little bit. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to loosen up these 3 screws on this hinge. And 2 screws on the other one. I thought it was 3, but it's 2. Okay. Now, tiny. Let me see if I can open it up a little bit. Sorry, they're really toughened up, so. Let me see. Yeah, they're really tough, so I cannot even bend this one. So what you're going to do from this screwdriver set, you're going to find whatever you call this, 5.5 millimeter, I guess. So we're going to stick this one right on the bolt, right in here, right on the nut. And we are going to open it up half turn. I have a wrong angle here for me. So I'm going to, this is really toughen up. So pretty much I can't do this like this. I'm going to bring my extra helpers. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to tighten up on top, and there we go, a little bit, just a little bit. You want to do it, and there. Now we're going to try to lift up the hinge to see if it's loosened up. Now I can see, yeah, now with one finger I can open it up easily. A little more I can twist, just maybe half a turn. There we go. So now, let's go ahead and lift up this hinge. Need something to stick in there to lift it up like that. Oh yeah, and now it's not too soft, not too hard, so otherwise the screen is gonna fall back. So there's this one. This one is done. Now we're gonna put the 3 screws that we removed, put them in a correct position. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna open it up just a little bit, maybe a turn and a half. Let's lift up the hinge. Oh yeah, it is really, right now, I need 2 fingers to 2 hands. I have to lift up this one. It is really tough. So let's put this one in there. And there we go. Now I can actually open it up with 1 finger easily. Alright, now all you need to do is to tighten up this 2 screw for here. They have a little tiny arrow. It says where the screw is supposed to go. So tighten up those. And pretty much you're done. And the last thing down here would be to grab the bottom cover, put it right on top, and squeeze down. You want to hear those nice click sounds. And make sure you put the corner screws by the hinges. This is the extra support for those hinges. Put those ones in there. And to finish it up, slap down the rest of the screws in the screw holes down there. And that should cover up today's video. And now let's open it up and see if you find it. Oh, look at this. Now soft, very easily is just opening up. And it stays wherever you want. This is how you're supposed to feel like it is. If you're feeling lots of tension, just service it. Again, I hope you guys like this video and I helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.